Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today, I'll show how easy it is to upgrade the halogen projector lights on the 2011 to 2014 Ford Edge to a 6000K LED. And I'll be using these special LED bulbs by Lasfit, which rotate 360 degrees to fine-tune the beam pattern. As if I didn't have enough project vehicles on the channel, here's a 2011 Ford Edge. I'll have some future repair and how-to videos on this Edge, but right now, one of the halogen headlight bulbs is burned out, so it's a perfect time to upgrade to LED. I was happy with the quality of the Lasfit bulbs on my Acura TSX, so I went with them again for the Edge. These bulbs are a direct plug-and-play application, plugging right into the factory harness. They have aluminum heat sinks to help dissipate heat, as well as a built-in fan to keep them cool at all times. Now what makes these unique is that the bulb can rotate 360 degrees in the housing, and that helps dial in the beam pattern for the best lighting. I'll put a link to these bulbs in the description. The Edge has good looking headlights, but they're not the best on dark country roads. These LED bulbs should help with that. The passenger headlight is burned out, so let's install that side first. It's real simple. Pop the hood, and on the back of the headlight housing, there's a plastic cover that unscrews. Now, if I look back in here, here's the bulb, along with the harness that plugs into it. And that bulb is a size 9012. I'm just going to grab the bulb and give it a twist counterclockwise. Now this one's burned out, but if the bulb was good, be sure not to touch the glass with your bare hands or it'll shorten the life of the bulb from the oils on your skin. I'm unplugging the old bulb from the harness. It's on there pretty tight. And this bulb is trash. Now I'm plugging in the new Lasfit bulb, and it's always a good idea to test LED bulbs before going through the trouble of installing them, just in case there's a compatibility issue, since these cars never came with LEDs from the factory. I hear that cooling fan spinning as well. So the way these 360 bulbs work is you turn it clockwise to install, just like the original bulb. Then, once it's locked in, you can turn the housing up to 360 degrees to fine-tune the beam pattern. I have the tabs lined up, and I'm installing the bulb in the back of the projector housing. Then, just give it a quarter turn clockwise, and it's locked in. These Lasfit bulbs have an extended harness on them as well, which gives a little more room to work in tight areas with the extra slack. That all fits inside the housing, just like it did with the OEM bulb. Before I put the cover on the back, I'm going to go outside and adjust the beam pattern of the bulb by rotating it. The halogen bulb is on the left and the LED on the right. Now there's a lot of glare with the halogen, making it look brighter on camera than it actually is. Let's adjust the LED bulb and see how it improves. You can see a dark spot on the door around 7 o'clock. As I rotate the Lasfit bulb counterclockwise, the dark spot moves with it. I just kept turning until the dark spot was on top of the cutoff line of the projector housing, and now I have optimized the beam pattern for the best light output. Here's the side-by-side after adjustment, and here are the high beams. Again, the camera really shows the excess glare of the halogen bulb compared to the more precise beam pattern with the LED bulb. Let's get back in the garage and install the driver's side bulb. Don't forget to put the plastic cover on the back of the housing after getting the bulbs adjusted. The driver's side's a little more cramped with this. Don't you hate when you drop something and you don't hear it hit the ground? So if you drop the cap, there's a good chance it'll end up right here above the underside of the front bumper. I adjusted the driver's side the same way as the passenger side. First test drive. This road has no street lights at all, and my camera does not like to autofocus at night, so so sorry if this is a little blurry. Here are the low beams and the high beams. I'm seeing reflective items like signs a lot better with these bulbs. Oh, by the way, the lifespan on these Lasfit bulbs is like 35,000 hours, so this will be the last time I ever change a headlight bulb on this vehicle. Well worth it. And that's it for today. Do me a favor and like this video if you found it helpful. Consider subscribing for more how-to videos and project vehicle updates here at the 6th Gear Garage.